What you got, Cole?
Hey, it's a big one. Can't handle it.
He can just fight him. No, yank it. Just hang on to it.
Just real.
Just hold the pole. Let him fight. Get his hand. Get it around that right there. There you go.
It's hard.
I know it's hard, son.
It's a big fish, though.
Holy cow! I caught big catfish.
Yeah.
There you go. I think it's clean, that one.
Huh?
I think you take that one back clean, yeah.
Can we please?
No, I'm going to let you get your picture made. That's bigger than that other. Now get back. I'm going to let you get your picture made with it.
You're gonna hold it, right, Daddy? Whoa!